If you've come across Avonload.com and you're wondering whether it's actually legit or just another online store to avoid, you're in the right place. I looked into the website to see what buyers should know before spending any money. At first glance, Avonload.com has a clean and modern design. It showcases different products with attractive photos and prices that may seem appealing. But remember, a nice-looking website doesn't always mean it's trustworthy. One of the first things I always check is transparency. Does the site clearly list its business information? Is there a physical address? Can you easily contact customer support? These details matter because legitimate businesses usually make it easy for customers to reach them. Next, take a close look at the return and refund policy. Make sure you understand how returns work before placing an order. Some websites have policies that make refunds difficult, even if your purchase doesn't meet expectations. It's also worth searching for recent customer reviews on independent review platforms. Look for comments about delivery times, product quality, refunds, and customer service. A few negative reviews are normal, but repeated complaints about missing orders or poor support should be treated as warning signs. Another thing to check is how long the domain has been online. New websites aren't automatically scams, but stores with very little history deserve extra caution. It's always safer to do a bit of research before entering your payment details. If you decide to buy from Avonload.com, consider using a payment method that offers buyer protection, such as a credit card or a trusted payment service. That way, you'll have more options if something goes wrong. So, is Avonload.com legit or a scam? Based on my research, it's best to be cautious rather than rush into a purchase. Always verify the company's information, read independent customer reviews, and avoid making impulse buys simply because the prices look attractive.